Have you ever thought about how your cleaning habits impact the environment? Let's explore eco-friendly home washing services by Housewash PA and see how we can keep our homes clean while being kind to our planet. These services use biodegradable products and sustainable practices, ensuring that when we clean, we're not harming our ecosystems. How great is that? Eco-friendly washing methods like soft washing prioritize low-pressure techniques that protect our delicate surfaces while effectively removing dirt and grime. Plus, you'll be using less water, which is a huge win for the environment. But it's not just about cleanliness. Choosing eco-friendly solutions means reducing chemical pollution, improving air quality, and creating a safer space for your family and pets. And let's not forget, when you choose services from Housewash PA, you're supporting a local, family-owned business that strengthens your community. So if you're ready to make a positive change, reach out to Housewash PA for a free quote today. Let's make your home shine bright while keeping it green. Don't miss out on seasonal promotions to save even more. Get started on your eco-friendly journey now.